if my beard care products are here, fingers crossed that that's what's in the mailbox right now. Journey, dude. It's all about the journey. Nothing, no box. This could be it right here. My package. I don't know if I got a sign for it yet.
Let's get find out.
Did he drop it off that fast? Is he already pulling back away? Bro, he totally just like ran that shit. What? That took like 5 seconds. That one's my pops. Oh. Folder. Heck yeah, looks like we got a... Let's see. Yeah, badass beard care. Badass.
Love me forever, girl. My mind rests with you, girl.
Alright, so we have, as you guys can tell by the title, we have a new company. I reached out to these guys and they were like, you know what? We'll send you a beard wash combo. And I was like, oh, if you guys are down with that, I'm down too. So I believe it was last year or the year before. I think it was last year. I did a beard routine video and I did it with Cremo, which I mean, I'm still a fan of their products, still use them to this day, but I thought we'd try a different company. Heard some great things about Badass Beard Care. Let's go, we'll get right into this. Yeah. Oh, no way, dude. A little Badass Beard Care baggie. That's so sick. Yeah, that's badass. Oh dang, I didn't even realize that was on the back of the bag, dude. That's so sick. Oh my, I might just have to like save that. That's so cool. That'd be like a good poster. Also, if you guys didn't know, Badass Beard Care is actually completely ran by US veterans, which I think is pretty sick. It's all handmade US products. Pretty good quality pouch, my dude. Oh my god. Yes, they sent me Viking, dude. Yes. The Viking scent. I was stuck between Viking, Ladies Man, and Bushwhacker, and I told them to surprise me, and they sent me the Viking. Everybody says I look like the Viking skin from Fortnite, so that's pretty hype.
It's Leif Erikson Day! Hinga-dinga-durgan!
Let's go ahead, we'll give this a little sniff. It's like cedar wood. Oh my god, that's so nice. It's beautiful. Looks like some butter. No way! A sticker, dude! Oh my god, I'm putting this on something. I don't know what to put it on, but I'm definitely oh my god. Don't fear the beard, that's what it says. Got another baggie. Alright, it's all wrapped up in bubble wrap. Sent me the Viking beard oil. Boom. Looks delicious. Let's go ahead, we'll pop this baby open. Oh my god. Holy cow, that smells so good. Shout out to Badass Beard Care for sending me this stuff. I do appreciate it very much. They also sent me a pretty decent sized bottle of beard wash. Pretty hyped for that. It smells like regular beard wash, you know, like that minty type smell. Alright, I'm definitely pretty freaking hyped for this beard balm. Alright, like I've been using Cremo beard balm for a little while. I'm hyped to try something different. Now let's go ahead, take us to the bathroom, and I'm going to show you guys just how I keep this beard nice and badass for you. Alright guys, I just got out of the shower and I tried out the Badass Beard Wash, and it actually, like, I'm a big fan. Alright, it lathers up nice in the hands, it spreads through the beard like butter. It's too nice. Alright, got my beard nice and free of all oils. So now we're gonna go ahead, take this comb, link in the description if you guys want to go get it. It's actually, I think it's like $7, almost $10. It's actually a really nice comb. But we're just gonna comb through it, get all the tangles out. And by the way, I don't do this every single morning because, you know, my shift at work starts at 4 a.m. So I usually do this at night. Then when I wake up in the morning, I throw a little bit of extra beard balm in, just to kind of keep the hold a little bit. I mean, I guess it's more of a nightly routine. I don't know. But either way, I do this, you know, on the mornings, my days off, or nighttime when I work the next day, so. Always gotta get that under beard. So we are pretty much tangle free. We're gonna go ahead. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna blow dry it before I do anything. I usually blow dry after I comb it, and then after I put in beard balm, I blow dry a little bit just to kind of, you know, make it hold a bit faster. So I think that looks pretty good. Basically, you know, everybody used to make fun of me because I was like, oh, I blow dry my beard, and I'm just like, dude, do not, like, look, it straightens it, it keeps it nice and like press down, like it looks good when you blow dry it, all right? Don't listen to the haters. They'll discourage you from blow drying your own beard. All right, so for the oil, we're using the Viking Scent Badass Beard Oil, all right? I'm actually really excited to try this out because I still haven't even used it. It looks pretty good. It's really thin. I didn't think it was gonna be that thin, but it's pretty thin, which isn't a bad thing. It's just, you're definitely gonna want some beard balm to go along with it just so you can hold it. But yeah, I used about a full dropper there. So we're just gonna rub this on through the beard. It's been a little while since I used beard oil. I've been using beard balm for a while because I ran out of my last oil. And all I had was beard balm, so, you know, whoa. Guys, this smells so good. Oh my God. I can't even describe it. It smells like a Viking, not a sweaty Viking, like one of the I don't know. It smells good though. Now we're gonna comb that through, get it all worked through the beard. Make sure it gets down to the skin. That's the whole reason you want to use it, is to like hydrate the skin underneath, get rid of the flakes and all that. This is honestly like the best my beard's looked in a while. Holy frick balls! Look at my beard right now. It's practically glowing. I got a Viking beard now. So now we're gonna throw in some Badass Beard Balm, the Viking scent, of course. Oh yes, smells so good. Let's go ahead. We'll see how it gets into the fingers. So yeah, it's really gonna hold. It's a pretty hard balm. You know, I tend to use a lot of beard balm, and when it's a stronger hold, I don't really use as much. But as you can see, I only got like a little bit there. And it rubs through the hands so nice. It's smooth. Boom, got it on our hands. Holy cow. Viking beard achieved. My hair looks so stupid, I'm sorry. I didn't put any product in it before I did this, and I probably should have. This is focused on the beard, eyes down here. Alright, so we got them both worked through the beard pretty nicely. It looks awesome. We're gonna give it one last blow dry. Now obviously when you blow dry, you always want to blow down or else it's gonna just look stupid. So you wanna follow the downward motion with the comb. Well, not too much because, you know, I already blow dried it once and I don't want to like get it too. God dang, my beard looks good. Alright, and usually what I like to do after I do all that, run this brush through it once again, like in the description, you guys want to check that out. Badass Beard Care has their own combs and brushes, but I mean, I reached out to them, they sent me this stuff, so I didn't want to be like, oh, could you also include like a comb and a shirt? I mean, you know, I didn't want to mooch off them too bad. Boom. Alright, so overall, I am a pretty big fan of this brand. I think I'm going to be using Badass Beard Care for quite a while. It's got no weird oils. It's got like apricot kernel oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, Siberian fir oil, orange oil, clove oil, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, eucalyptus oil, and pure badassery. Alright guys, so that was my beard routine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that just a little bit. If you guys would like to check out Badass Beard Care, go to the link in the description down below. I have a link to all the things I used. And right now, if you use code BOULDER7 at checkout, you don't get anything from it, but I get a little bit of kickback. Thus, you know, giving me more content for you guys because, you know, a little bit of a kickback. I can get more products from them. I can do more reviews for you guys and let you guys know exactly what you need to get for your luscious beard. That is it for this video. Hopefully you did enjoy. If you did, please drop a like down below. If you're watching this point in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, you're thinking you're not going to subscribe, why? What? Why? What's wrong with you? Like, just, it's a free button. You click it. Like, please, just, you know, click subscribe. I upload on here every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so definitely turn on post notifications. Stay bearded up. Keep rolling, Rock Squad. Love ya.